Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just made. This right here is, what is it? Well, it's an origami box inside of a box. So, see, this right here is an origami box, and on this side it's also a box right here. So, when you open it, like this, here is the bottom of the box inside. So it's technically a box inside of a box. See? Just like that. Isn't that cool? And yeah. And then you can put it back together like this. See? Just like that. Isn't that cool? And alright, we're gonna learn how to fold it. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 16 square of kami. But you could try it from pretty much any size square. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter which side because we're going to make genderless creases. So we're going to make an 8x8 grid of genderless creases. So fold in half like this, and unfold, now fold to the crease. If you know how to do this, then skip to this point. Okay, and now fold the edge to the top. And repeat on this side. Okay, turn over and fold these two edges to the center. Okay, and now turn over and fold in half. Okay, and now completely unfold, like this. And now we're going to make them genderless, so we're going to reverse all these creases. So make sure the first crease is a valley and the second one is a mountain. So we're going to fold 2 units up just like this, so folding on the mountain, and 1 unit down, so reversing that valley. Like that, and then now do that all the way up. So 2 up, 1 down. 2 up, 1 down. And then now turn over and fold like this. Okay. And completely unfold. Okay, now let's do the same thing in the other direction. And here we go. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, just like that. And now completely unfold. Okay, so now let's start colored side up like this. So if you begin colored side up, the inside of this will be purple and the outside will be white. So if you want it to be colored side, if you want the colored side to be outside like this, so if you want this to be purple, then you begin this side up. But I'm gonna make it like this. So since I made this one white, I might as well make this one white. So colored side up, this is the inside, and there's a middle square right here, and I'm going to draw it so that way, okay, if I'm going to draw on the pre-creases, so I'm going to have some construction paper behind so that way I don't draw on the table. So I'm going to draw the middle square so you can see it. Okay, so there's the middle square. So make those mountains like this. Okay, just make sure those are mountains. Okay, so now right below it, so 1 unit below the middle square, so right here, we're gonna make a valley fold, 3 units right here, and 3 units on this side. So to do that, fold this up like this. So we're folding this edge to this edge of the square, and we're just gonna fold 3 units. So right here, and right here, so 3 units on both sides. Just like that. And now do that all the way around. So I'm going to do it in the opposite direction. So fold like this and just fold 3 units right here and 3 units right here. Alright, just like that, and now do that in the opposite direction. Alright, just like this. And now let's turn over. And now, let me zoom it. There. We're gonna make a mountain fold that goes in between this point and this point. So in this tiny square right here. Just pinch a little mountain fold. Like this. And then now, let's make another mountain fold from here. So here's the corner of the square. You can kind of see it through your paper. So from here to that point. And also from there to this point. So we're making a triangle. Alright, just like this, and do it right here too. Okay, just like that. Alright, now I'll show you that again on this one, and then I'll fast forward the other two. So here we go. So make a mountain fold in this segment right here. Just in that tiny spot. And then from this point to there, the corner of the square, and from here to the corner of the square. And I'll go ahead and fast forward this part now. Okay, just like this, and now we're done with the pre-creases, and now we're ready to collapse. So, I'm gonna get rid of this now. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is make sure the middle square right here is our mountains, and let's pinch right here and right here. And we're just gonna collapse on these existing creases. So, just like this, and then turn over and just kind of fix it up. There, just like that. And then do that all the way around. And then also make this fold amount a valley. And same right here too. And all the way around. Okay, now let's kind of fix it up if it's deformed or something. There we go, that's good right there. Okay, and now we're just gonna basically just kind of put a box around this cube or whatever this is, this 3D thing. Here we go. So before we do that, let's actually make some diagonal folds. We're just gonna make diagonal folds on the corners right here. So just from here to here and then all the way around. So let's start here. Just bring these two edges together like this and just make a mountain fold. There, just like that. And do that all the way around. Okay, so this kind of almost looks like a rocket, and we're done. Ah, no, just kidding, we're not done. But we're almost done though. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just start making a box. So let's make these folds first. Okay, just like this. Give me a second here. There we go. Okay, and then now just fold like this, and then fold this down also. Alright, and then do that all the way around. So we're just getting the creases started. So it makes it a little bit easier. And there we go. So now the folder's started, and now to make, let's do it again, but we're gonna make the diagonal. So fold like this. And now we're gonna take this and we're gonna fold it down like this, and we're also making a diagonal fold right here too. And this is kind of hard to explain. I hope we can do this. See? Just like this. So let me show you that again. So we made this diagonal mountain fold like this. and then we folded this edge down, and we're making a diagonal fold right here too, like that. And then now fold this down also, and then now make this diagonal fold. And then, oh wait, actually before you make that diagonal fold, I forgot. Take this point and fold it over, just like this. And now you can make this fold right there, just like that. There you go. Forgot to do that. Yeah, you gotta make sure you do that. And the same all the way around. So fold that point over first, and then now make that diagonal fold. It's alright if it kind of sticks out right there a little bit. It's fine. It's not gonna hurt anything. Alright, and then right here. And then this last one is the hardest one. Okay, like this. And now for this last one, it's a little bit harder because all this paper is in the way, so we're just gonna take this fold and just kind of put it around this edge. So just kind of put it back there like this. And then now let's continue. So fold that over, and then take this edge and fold it like this. And now here's the hard part. So we have to kind of reform all these folds at the same time. So just and yeah, this is tricky. So there we go. I got it right there. So that was the hard part. I hope you can do that. And now just kind of shape it to taste like this. Alright, and yeah, looks good to me. And once you did that, here it is. So a box inside of a box. So here's a box on this side. And I love how the bottom of it is inside of this box. So you can just kind of open it like this. And there's the bottom of the box. And then you can close it up. Okay, just like that. So there you have it. All right, well that was kind of a tricky model, so I hope you guys were able to fold that. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And yeah, you can put some in here, or you can put some in there. So yeah, there you have it. All right, hope you guys like that. And if you were able to fold it, well, congratulations. And I'd like to see you make a demo of it. So make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. All right, see you guys later.